I fixed the furnace. I fixed the furnace. I fixed the furnace. Fixed the furnace. So it had something to do with the limit switch, but I also put a new igniter in, and so far so good. We got flame. Flame on! Flamage! Alright, so we got red and yellow lit. Red and yellow lit means it's time to get lit. Alright. No, whatever, it's on. We got flame. Don't smell gas. Maybe I switched the wires on the limit switch. I don't know. I started testing the limit switch. These dudes are stuck into the wires there. All I know is I got the furnace back on. Another example of super genius.